everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an LPS lot of 3, and this package came from well, it's the score right here. Fast Matrix 1. So if you want Littlest Pet Shops for good prices, go search her up on eBay right now. She can also be found on lpsclean.com. And I love her stamp. I mean, look at that. Custom made right there. And I read her reviews and all of them looked good. On like YouTube, you know that like sometimes people protest and some videos say that like they say that like she scammed them. But others say, no, my friends have been buying from her for years. They're all fake and stuff. So I saw like a few comments like that. So yeah, so let's open this. And this was a lot of 3 farm LPS. So they're farm themed. There we go. Oh my gosh! So the first one we have is this pig one. And she is in great condition. She has that magnet, so I'm pretty sure it's real. Super cute. Next we have this cow one, but like she's not a bobbler. Well, like she is, but like she doesn't bobble real good. So just gotta move her like this, I guess. And if I wanna like turn her around, I have to like pause the video and go like this. But she does look super cute though. Got that little LPS symbol. And that Hasbro stuff on the bottom of them. That writing on them, whatever. Kind of like that print you see. Let me show you. Oh yeah, see that? That little print stuff that's printed on them. It says like Hasbro and all that. So yeah. And like the paint is kind of chipping off right here, but like it's not easy to chip off though, so that's very good. And I just love this cow, and I'm super happy she was in there. Next, I think has to be one of my new favorites is this Lola. She has a good paint job, and she's a little dirty, but that's okay though. She has a little magnet, and I just love her cute little bow. And yeah, so she seems super cute. So there we are, super cute LPS. This was a lot of 3 Littlest Pet Shops, a lot of 3 farm Littlest Pet Shops. And even if they are fake, I'm still happy. They look real to me. Because like I've only been like into this LPS thing like 7 months ago. Well, no, not 7, like a few months ago, like 3 or 2 to be exact. So anyways, this is all the LPS I have. So it looks like a lot, but to be honest, it's not really a lot. Let me show you my collection. So these are all the LPS I have. And to be honest, it's not a lot. I have 12. So I really need more LPS, so that's why I got this lot of 3. So now I have 15. Okay. Just ignore that Play-Doh right there. So now I have 15. Oh yeah, and the rest is just like the teenies and tinies and some accessories and shopkins and I don't know, these used to be my old mascots, but so yeah. So anyways, thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of my videos. And also, if y'all like these little legless pet shops, I recommend going on eBay and look up fast metrics because these LPS altogether only cost $6. $6 for a lot of 3 LPS, and to me that's not bad. So go look up Fast Matrix. I don't know, her name is kind of hard to pronounce in my opinion. Yeah, Fast Matrix. Or just go to her website, lpsqueen.com. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.